Garage
what a
door
photo
emergencies
sensor looks
can
like.
disrupt
You
your
have one on
day
the left
and
and right down at
compromise
the
your
bottom of
safety.
the door.
Here's what
And you know
every
that
LA
when you walk
homeowner
through
needs
your
to know
garage
about
door, when you
reliable
break the
garage
beam of
door
light that
services.
shoots across,
Whether it's a
the
jammed
garage
door
thinks
or a
there's something
broken
in the way and
spring,
it opens back
immediate
up.
repairs are crucial for your home's
The second
security,
thing you can check for
safety,
is to make
and
sure the
convenience.
photos.
This one,
Look out
you've
for
got a real
unresponsive
problem.
doors,
The chain in a
loud
garage door
grinding
opener
noises,
controls
broken
everything. If
springs,
it
or
sags
doors
too
off
much,
track.
that trolley can make
These
a
are
ton
signs
of
you
noise
need
and even
expert
come
help
off the
fast.
rail. But
When
if it's
choosing
too
a
tight,
garage
that can
door
cause you
repair
problems
company,
too.
look
So I'm
for
gonna show you the easy way
24/7
to adjust this
availability,
thing correctly
licensed
and make
and
your door
insured
lock
technicians,
quieter and
and
make sure it
upfront
works
pricing.
perfectly.
Local
Start by
companies
closing your garage
understand
door, and then
LA's
you want to
unique
disconnect
needs,
the power to your
from
garage door
coastal
opener.
climates in
Many of them could
Redondo
just be
Beach to
unplugged,
traffic
but you want to make
challenges
certain that
across
that
the city.
circuit breaker or the
Prevent
power is off,
emergencies
so there's
with
no way
regular
anyone
maintenance.
can open that door while you're
Lubricate
doing this
moving
job.
parts, inspect
BMWs.
cables, and test door balance. Did you know most emergency repairs in LA take 1 to 2 hours? Always rely on professionals for spring repairs and ask about warranties for peace of mind. Need fast and reliable garage door services in Los Angeles? Call today for expert help.